Hey guys, what's up? It's UniformWarrior, and today we have another bracelet tutorial. This is an easy watch band for anyone who's looking to make their first watch. Also, something I wanted to mention really quick is I've just added cord and buckles to my store. So if you guys want to buy the stuff that I'm using in this video, or if you want to check it out, there will be a link in the description. So the first thing you need is about 6 feet of emerald green paracord, a 15mm buckle, and one basic watch face. Like I said, links to all that are in the description. So just go ahead and take your cord and cut it in half, and then melt both those ends just to make things easier. And then grab one of those strands and then find the center of that and run that down through the end of the buckle. You're just going to grab those two strands and pull it down through that loop and tighten that. You take the ends of those two strands and run them down through the watch face. And go ahead and unhook that buckle. So then go ahead and take the ends of those two strands and then run them up through the bottom of the buckle, or just run the loop down through the buckle. You're basically just doing a cow's hitch. Then pull those two strands down through that loop. Try to make sure there are no twists in the loop, and then tighten that. Then you're just going to go ahead and try to find a good point where both of the ends of the buckle are an even amount away from the watch face and where it'll fit around your wrist. So once you do that, go ahead and try it around your wrist and then loosen it a little bit or tighten it a little bit to get it the right size. You want there to be a little bit of space. Then you're just going to start your Cobra stitch. So go ahead and take a pair of hemostats and hold those in place, and then go over to the other end and start the Cobra stitch. So you're just going to take your left strand, put it in front of the two middle strands. Take your right strand, put it over that strand, behind the two middle strands, and up through that left loop. Then you're going to want to tighten that. When you do that, try to make sure you hold those two cords in place. And then you're just going to do another Cobra stitch. So go ahead and take your right strand, put it in front of the two middle strands, take your left strand, put it over that strand, behind the two middle strands, and up through that right loop, and then tighten that. As you do these, make sure you tighten them all the way up to the top, and keep doing the Cobra stitches until you get down to the bottom. Just so you guys know, if you follow the amount of cord I told you to use, you will have more cord than this. And you're just going to go over to the other side and then do the same thing. So go ahead and do a Cobra stitch. Take your left strand, put it in front of the two middle strands. Take your right strand, put it over that strand, behind the two middle strands, and up through the left loop. Once again, tighten that. And continue doing alternating Cobra stitches until you get down to the buckle. Make sure you try to do as many as you can. And then you're just going to clip and singe those. And then you're done. Anyway guys, that is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Just a quick little video for today. But like I said, I added cord and hardware to the website. Hopefully that will be up by the time you guys are watching this. But I did hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.